Talks, Bach Talks. All right, so we are in the round of 32. We have gone ahead to the next round. A couple of shakeups in that first round. I don't expect this to be a shakeup though. The Knob 12 versus the Green Briar. The Green Briar featured in last round. 45.5% alcohol. It's all right bottle. The Knob Creek. This is one of my favorite bottles. Knob Creek. I love Knob. This one's going to be 100 proof. Kentucky straight bourbon. Kentucky versus Tennessee. It's going to be interesting because all of these whiskeys are pretty good. Initial impressions, I think that might be the Knob. But we'll see. Really not super harsh. There is a little burn there. Lots of flavor though. I don't know. It could be either or. I'm not sure yet. Now it's going to get a lot harder to be able to tell. Last round I could tell. The Knob might be in trouble. I don't know which is which. Ooh, that's tough. This one has a little bit longer, kind of a bitter aftertaste. It's very enjoyable. Both of these are enjoyable, but I think this one I don't know. They're both very close. Ooh. All right, I'm going to go number 2.
That's Knob.
Okay, so the Knob Creek wins. So, like I said, I thought this one was the Knob right off the bat. It's 50% alcohol, but you can't tell the difference much in the burn here. The Knob, this one has a little better kind of flavoring to it. You get all of your normal bourbon flavors, right? And then it's kind of got a smokier end that the 12 brings. I mean, it's a great bottle. If you haven't tried the Knob 12 for some reason, go try it. But I'll tell you what, for a long shot, the Green Briar did well. Absolutely surprised that it made it to the second round and that it bunched up with the Knob is pretty good. The Knob is great. I tend to prefer it on the rocks, and so I don't think the flavors opened up quite as much in the Glencairn. Maybe I need to let it sit for a little while longer. But yeah, Knob Creek wins, advances to the next round.